How to clear a daily planner in Notion. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to clear out the daily planner in Notion, it depends on how your planner is set up, template, database, or base, and here are some of the easiest ways you can remove it. So let's get started. So one of the things we can do is we can head over and open up our Notion Festival, head over to notion.com, and you can open up your daily planner base. For example, let's say this is the one. Now, in order to clear up a single daily planner piece is super easy. You can press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, or you can select all by tapping and holding your mouse. And all we gotta do is look out for the delete or the backspace option, and you can confirm this up by clicking on this option called move to trash. And that will clear out your single daily piece. Apart from that, you can clear up the database. So if your planner is a table or a calendar, you can look out for the data view base view option, and again go ahead and select the option of delete, move to trash, and that should remove entirely permanently unless you undo it. And that's it. In Notion, it's usually better to reset the delete base instead of just deleting the structure, or use the template button that generates a fresh day automatically. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.